Hello and welcome back to Learn with AP Mom. Today we are going to have a look at the ear sound, as in your ear. So this is the sound we need. As you know, it's a two vowel combined together in one syllable and make the sound ear. That's called a diphthong. So now repeat after me.
Ear, 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 ear. Weird, weird. Here, here. I have a weird fear. I have a weird fear.
Remember, in the British pronunciation, the r sound, it seems like it is silent. Here, we're. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson with AP Mom. See you next time with a new pronunciation. Bye.